Department of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur Notice Council and Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy Imphal today observed the 77th Tricolour Hosting Day at the INMRTS Memorial Complex in Moirang today. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Manipur Pollution Control Board Chairman L. Radhakishore and Moirang Constituency MLA P. Sarachandra attended the program. Under the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, PMJAY cards were distributed to around 2,000 beneficiaries in Somdal village under Ukhrul district. The card distribution program was organized by Somdal Village Authority at Vaumalan Hall. Thokchom Sarachandra, nominee of Rajya Sabha MP Laisemba Sanajauba, IGP Administration IK Muiva and Agriculture Specialist Dr. Sachi Gurumiyum were present during the program. Ahead of Ramjan, Lilong Block Congress Committee in association with social worker Said Anwar Hussain today provided drinking water to residents of Lilong constituencies Hauribi Makhalikai, Laumanga, Lehokhong and Lairakhong villages. A large number of students from Tamai in Tamenglong district today took out a rally against deforestation and poppy plantation. The rally kicked off from Tamai police station and culminated at Artale market. It was organized by Liangmai Naga Katina Rounde LNKR in association with Liangmai Naga Council Manipur LNC and Liangmai Pui Naga Rounde LPNR. Opponents of military rule in Myanmar splashed the color red today, the second day in the traditional New Year holiday in the latest phase of their campaign to restore democracy. According to Reuters, activists called for what they dubbed a bloody pen strike and people responded with red smeared on roads, on signs outside government offices and on t-shirts according to pictures posted on social media. The report said that some people marched with signs calling for the release of the leader of the ousted government, Nobel laureate Aung San Suu Kyi. Uttarakhand's Haridwar reported 594 new cases of coronavirus yesterday, taking the active case load of the city to 2,812, as thousands gathered to take dibs in the Gangesh for the 13th day of Mahakumbh. As per a media report, Haridwar had registered 408 cases on Monday. Uttarakhand logged 1,925 cases with 13 deaths in the last 24 hours. Devotees continue to throng the ghats of Haridwar even as the country reels under a more severe second wave of coronavirus infection, with many states running out of vaccines and beds for patients.